Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. After click on more security settings, click on secure folder. Enter your pattern. After enter your pattern, so you will see and here showing you option add secure folder to app screen. So if you want to fix missing secure folder, so turn on add secure folder to app screen button. After turn on this button and go back to home screen, and you will see secure folder is showing on your app screen. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.